Children, let's know and revise the first crusade. As we have studied earlier that the crusades were the wars which was done by the Christians against the Muslim cities. It was done because Arabs captured Jerusalem in 638, and for regaining its holy city, the Urban II, that is Pope of Western Europe, he wanted to make alliance of from the ruler of Byzantine Empire, which was Alexius I. The reason behind that was the people of Byzantine Empire, they were also following the Christianity. So he made alliance with the ruler of Alexius I, and they both attacked on the Arab cities, and resultantly Alexius I also got the area of Asia Minor and northern Syria. And in the first crusade, which was done in 1098 and which ended in 1099, but in this war Christians got victory. And after getting victory, the Christians made 4 crusade states in the region which they captured. Like they captured the Antioch place, that is in Syria. Children, you can see on page number 82 of NCERT book. In Syria there is a place Antioch which was captured during the first crusade by the Christians, and Christians claimed Jerusalem also. And the writers they have defined these invasions as Frankish invasion. We can see here these invasions as the Frankish invasion. It was named by the writers, and the writers said that these Christians were Firangis, and we have seen Firangis. Why? Because we have already heard the name, the word Firangi, and this was given by the writers after the first crusade, and it was given to the Western European Christians. Then they have made 4 crusade states, and in the areas which they had captured, and these 4 crusader states were called Outremer, and Outremer, for that is 4 Outremers were doing rule in a way, and the rule was going on very nicely in all the 4 crusaders till 1044. But in 1044 there was an attack of Turks, and they captured Edessa, and after the capture of Edessa, now again Pope thought to again Pope motivated the people and appealed the people for doing the second crusade, and for that purpose there was just after 1 year, that was 1045 say, it again started, which continued till 11,049. 11,045 say it started, and 11,000 that is 49, that is for the year of 4 years, that is 5 years, sorry for that is 5 years. And in this war the European army was having the soldiers from the 2 countries, from one was France and the other was Germany. As we have seen that in the first crusade, all the army soldiers which the Christian army was having, they belong from 2 countries, one was France and the other was Italy. Here we can see the 2 countries which were there, one was France and the other was Germany, and so all the soldiers belonged only from 2 countries, and they tried to capture the Damascus. We have seen that it is near Iraq, and we have seen that Umayyad dynasty made the Damascus its capital also for Arab countries, and Damascus was not captured by Christians, means Christians failed to capture Damascus. So after this, the power of all the 4 crusader states, that was called Outremer, the power started to decline, and the result was that the Salah al-Din started to capture the other areas, and they made and established, we can say established empire which was called Egypto-Syrian Empire. What was called? Egypto-Syrian Empire. Now just see again that after establishing Egypto-Syrian Empire, Salim al-Din just announced that it will also recapture Jerusalem, and there was a war against Christians in 1187, and in 1187 the Jerusalem was again captured by the Muslims, that is Salim al-Din, and then it was under the Muslim city. Now, one more thing which I want to tell you here, that when Christians captured Jerusalem, then the behavior of the Christians with the Muslims and the Jews were very inhuman, and many Jews and large number of Muslims and Jews were killed, and the behavior of the Christians with the Muslims and with the Jews were very inhuman. This point should be noted down, that the behavior of the Christians with the Muslims and with the Jews were very inhuman. At the same time, when Muslims again recaptured the Jerusalem, the holy city, and again it came under the rule of Muslims, but the behavior of the Muslims with the Christians was very inhuman. And this is the difference between the attitudes of the Christians and Muslims. Means this is a exception, and this is a new thing that we are knowing from this history, that their attitude towards the human being belonging from other religion. As we have seen that in the Second Crusade, Christians lost their holy place, that is Jerusalem. Now it came under the rule of the Muslim rulers, and this again motivated Christians for the Third Crusade, which started in the Third Crusade in 1189. But after the Third Crusade, Christians could get only some towns in Palestine, and the free access to the Jerusalem only for the pilgrimage purpose. And again, when they started to create a chaos for getting Jerusalem back, then again in 1291, when in 1291 again the slave rulers, that it took ruler from Egypt, because in Egypt we have seen that Turks were ruling, so they were the slaves, and slaves were called the Mamluks. They just drove out all the Christians from the Egypt, and from the Egypt, and after this Christians lost the interest for the military invasion on the Muslim cities. Now they started to pay attention for their internal affairs, that is the internal affairs of their country, and for the development of their economic and political stability and economic growth, and they lost the interest and for the military invasion. Thank you children, have a nice day, and we will be studying some next topics in the next class. Thank you.